Your kids will love making these fantastic apple bites this Halloween. Halve your apples and cut each half into 3 fat wedges, trimming off the core. Make a little assembly line of apple wedges. Spoon a dollop of peanut butter onto each apple wedge. To make the teeth, insert a few tiny marshmallows. Place another apple on top, squish together to create your apple bite. Carry on going until you've used up all your apples and peanut butter. Sweet and crunchy, the kids will gobble up these party snacks.